Welcome to my workshop. In this video, we'll be tying bow knots of ribbons to decorate our gifts, Christmas trees, postcards, basically anything. We will start with small knots using narrow ribbon. I have measured a piece of ribbon 50 cm long. To tie the knot, we will use the index and the middle finger on our left hand. Make a few loops around your middle finger to secure the ribbon. That's how I make sure that the ribbon stays in place. Wind the ribbon around your fingers once, like this. Hold it in place here with your thumb and run the working end of the ribbon here. Now we need to bring working end here. Look, just grab it and pull it under just like this. Now all we need to do is to tighten it. Slip the ribbon off your middle finger and the bow knot is ready. Now cut the ends and protect it from fraying using lighter. Now let's use your fingers again to tie a knot like this, with 2 petals on each side. Take 70 cm of ribbon. Start the same way. Wind the ribbon around the middle finger and then around your fingers, over and over again, just like this. Now we have 2 layers here. Finish off as before. Hold the ribbon in place with your thumb, run the end between the index and the middle finger, then under the resulting loop and tighten. Smooth out the petals and the bow is ready. Cut the ends and protect it using lighter. Now let's use some white ribbon for our next bow knot. We will wind petals around these and these pairs of fingers. Run the ribbon around the smaller fingers, then through the middle, around the bigger ones, again the middle, again the smaller ones, the middle and the bigger ones. So here we have 2 petals and here just 1. Wind the ribbon one more time, like this. Now run the working end here between the middle and the ring finger. Put this end aside so that it doesn't get in the way. Pull out the working end and run it here under the last loop. That's it. Now tighten. Take it off your fingers. Smooth it out. And your bow is ready. As a finishing touch, fold the white ribbon in half and cut it like this. Make sure your scissors are pointed in the right direction. Treat the ends with a lighter and we are done. It's quick and easy with a little practice. And the last variant with 2 petals instead of 4. Start the same way as before. Here we already have 1 petal. Now make one more as follows. Run the ribbon backwards between your fingers, push it between the middle and the ring finger, pull it out in front. This one needs a little adjustment. And bring the working end here under the last petal. Exactly the same as in previous case, only less winding around fingers. Tighten, take the knot off your fingers and smooth it out. In this fashion, you can play with the petal size by pulling them slightly. I hope this workshop will come in handy. Write comments, subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.